On Canva, under the search box, type in frame and then scroll all the way down until you find the letters. Pick the letters D-A-D for dad. Edit the sizes however you want, it's a personal preference. Upload the pictures that you want to be placed on the letters, then drag each photo one at a time. Add a text using the font that you preferred and type the word happy. Add a second word and type Father's Day. You can change the size however you want and also any font that you prefer. Add another text at the bottom under dad where you can type whatever message that you want, and on this tutorial we'll go ahead and type into the best dad in the whole wide world. And lastly, you can add a banner to place on the corner. You can search the words banner and then pick the banner of your choice. And here's the final product. I printed my design on a 5x7 size. You can cut it using a pair of scissors, or if you have a cutting tool, that would work also. And here's the final product after placing the card in a frame, and I think using white frame makes it looks really nice.